Get ready to see the most colorful and vibrant Windows 11 theme with stunning gradients, glowing icon and sleek dock style layout. Your desktop has never looked this good. This theme brings energy, elegance and that perfect modern vibe to your Windows setup. Stay tuned because this is not just a theme, it's a whole new experience of your PC. In this tutorial, I am going to show you that how to install this best Windows 11 theme on your Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. In this tutorial, I am going to show you that how to install this beautiful theme on your Windows 11 computer. So before we start, we have to create a restore point. It is always a good practice to create a restore point before you do anything with your system. If anything goes wrong, you can revert your system using restore point. To create a restore point, just click on search and in here you need to type create. And in here you can see this create a restore point. Just select this box and just select your C drive and then click on create and then give it a name and then click on create. So it will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can revert your system using this restore point. So here you can see the restore point was created successfully. Then we need to ready our system for using any custom theme or any third-party themes. To do that, you need to use a software called Taskbar theme tool. Just right click on it and extract the files. All download links are given in the description box or check pin comments. One more thing, these themes are not provided by Microsoft. It's a custom theme and it is not going to affect your system performance at all. And then copy this folder and go to C drive and paste it here. And then open this Taskbar theme folder and here you can see this theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes, and then you will see a pop-up like this. Just click on OK and then after that you have to select these two boxes and then click on install. So I already installed it. I am not going to install it again. You just check these boxes and then click on install and it will require reboot. After reboot, your system is ready to use any custom theme or any third-party themes. Now I am going to show that how to install these themes. Then go to this theme folder and go to this Windows 11 themes and copy these theme files. And here you can see these shortcut items. Just double click on it and paste it this directory. Now we need to apply the theme. Just go to this PC and go to local disk C and go to Taskbar theme folder again and right click on this theme tool and then run it as administrator and then click on yes and then click on OK. Now in here you need to select the theme. Here you can see this Nebula theme. Just select that theme and then click on apply. Okay, so theme has been applied. Here you can see the interface has been changed. Theme has been applied. Now we need to install a software called Start All Back. Just double click on it, then click on install for me. And then you will see a pop-up like this. Just close it and then right click on taskbar and then click on properties and turn off this taskbar and then click on restart now. And then go to start menu tab and turn off it as well, and then go to your Explorer tab and in here you need to select this Windows 7 command bar. Okay, now we need to apply the icon pack. To apply the icon pack, we need a tool called 7tsp. Just right click on it and extract these files and open this 7tsp folder and we need to rename it. Just rename it EE to EXE. And now we need to extract the icon pack files. Right click on it and extract icon pack files. In here you can see these two icon pack has been available. So choose whatever you want. I'd like to choose this one. Just remove this remove text and then open this 7tsp tools again and right click on it and then run it as administrator and then click on yes, and then select add custom pack and go to this 70 sp go to icon pack and select that icon pack and then click on start and then click on yes. So it will take some time to complete the process. I'll be right back after installation has been completed. So process has been complete. Here you can see, would you like to reboot now? Just click yes to reboot your computer. Icon pack has been installed successfully. Here you can see this new icon pack. Now we need to install a dock. Here you can see this Nexus dock. Just double click on it and double click on Nexus setup and then click on run and then click on run and then click on yes. And check mark this launch Nexus and then click on finish. Okay, now go to this theme folder, go to this extras folder, go to this Nexus doc files and copy this candy icon folder and go to this PC, go to local disk C and paste it here. And then click on this Nexus icon and then click on advance and then click on restore and then select desktop, go to this theme folder, go to this extras folder, go to Nexus doc file and in here you can see this doc backup file. Just select that file and then click on apply and then OK, and then right click on desktop, then go to view and just uncheck this show desktop icons. And that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next customization video.